Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about these two dietary changes that I've made, and those have helped me in losing 2 kgs, in losing in 2 weeks a kg and a half and over an inch. Because I'm also working out and lifting, so I'm not just kind of like cutting down on the wrong food choices. तो अभी जो मैंने डाइटरी चेंजेस करे हैं, तो आई यूज टू ईट वाइट राइस, मतलब आई यूज टू ईट राइस एंड वाइट राइस, एंड वो मैंने गिव अप कर दिया है पिछले 2 हफ्ते से कम्प्लीटली. एंड उसके बाद मैंने वाइट राइस गिव अप कर दिया, और मैंने इनफैक्ट इवन गेहूँ रोटी, राइट, लाइक वीट रोटी, वो भी बंद कर दिए. तो उसके बदले में आई एम ईटिंग प्रोटीन रोटीज. प्रोटीन आटा आपको कहीं भी अवेलेबल होगा रेडिली, और अगर प्रोटीन आटा नहीं भी अवेलेबल है, सो देर आर होल ग्रेन्स लाइक देयर इज जवार, देयर इज बाजरा, एंड ऑल दीज आर रियली गुड. इवन फिंगर मिलेट लाइक नाचनी इज वेरी गुड. तो आप नाचनी का टेस्ट थोड़ा वियर्ड लगेगा रोटी में, इट्स लाइक वेरी अजीब सा कड़वा कड़वा, बट यू गेट यूज टू इट. दीज आर लाइक लो ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स फूड्स. तो क्या होता है कि इसका बर्न आउट, सॉरी, इसका ये दीज मील्स बेसिकली take a lot of energy to burn out, and they keep you feeling full for a really long time. They keep you feeling full for a really long time, and you don't feel hungry again sooner, and they also get digested slowly, so you get a lot of benefits. तो अगर आप अभी भी आटा रोटी खा रहे हैं, तो आप कंसिडर कर सकते हैं जवार, बाजरा, ये सब चीज़ें, नाचनी बहुत बेटर हैं, इससे आपको एनर्जी भी बेटर फील होगी. तो आप ये कंसिडर कर सकते हैं डेफिनेटली. एटलीस्ट मेरे को तो बेटर फील होता है ये सब दूसरे लाइक ग्रेन्स की रोटी खा के. एंड वाइट राइस तो कम्प्लीटली मैंने बंद कर दिया है. एंड वाइट राइस का कोई मतलब एज सच न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू का मुझे आई थिंक स्टार्च है उसमें, बट मुझे नहीं सूट करता है वाइट राइस. नाउ देयर आर पीपल हु talk about white rice as being a healthy source of carbs also. I mean, there are people who... Now, white rice also has so many forms. Now, there's Japanese rice and there's so many kinds of white rice. तो अभी कौन से kind का white rice भी आप खा रहे हो, उस पर भी it depends, right? But for me, to make things simpler, मैंने rice एकदम quit कर दिया. तो अभी मैं आपको अपना meal अगर बताऊँ पूरे दिन का, तो when I get up, I have like 1 multi-grain slice of bread. तो एक slice of bread multi-grain, और कभी अगर if I'm very hungry then 2 slices of multi-grain bread. And उसके अलावा what I have is चाय. So I have tea without sugar. उसमें stevia हो सकती है, that is okay. And अगर stevia भी नहीं है तो I just have it bland, but I don't mix any sugar in it. And then before my workout I have like one cup of black tea without any sweetener, just like black coffee. Black coffee, not black tea, black coffee. Before my workout, I have a cup of black coffee, and कोई भी एक fruit, या तो apple, या तो guava, and वो सब भी नहीं है, तो I just take like dates, खजूर, and I just have that, and I go to the gym. Now I work out, I lift weights, I come back, and then so I read in a lot of आर्टिकल्स कि अगर आप जिम के तुरंत बाद 1 या 2 घंटे के अंदर खाना खा लेते हैं, कार्ब्स अपना, तो इट इज़ आइडियल, इट्स लाइक ऑप्टिमम. तो आई कम बैक, देन आई हैव माई प्रोटीन शेक, एंड आई टेक अ ब्रेक फॉर लाइक 10-15 minutes. But within the first hour of my finishing my workout, I finish my lunch. So I finish my lunch within the first hour. And what I eat in my lunch is कभी-कभी 2 protein roti, या तो कभी-कभी 3 protein rotis. But I eat a pretty good lunch, a pretty full lunch. And then I get around to doing my work and everything. If I have to go for a couple of meetings and all, then I get around to doing that. Or if I have to do my edits, I get around to doing that. If I, whatever I'm doing on that day, I get around to doing that. And uske baad, what I do is, in the evenings, if I feel hungry, which I invariably do actually, by 5:36, thoda sa you feel hungry. So what I do is I have like this, I'll show you. This is like this Nachni Chiuda I got online, and Nachni is like very very healthy. It's a very healthy grain. तो ये ऐसा रहता है, like it's this color, and it's very healthy. It's roasted, it's not fried. So this Nachni Chiuda I have with tea, which again doesn't have any sugar. Nachni Chiuda tea, or else I'll have like Nachni khakra. One. So this is what I have, and kabhi kabhi if I'm extremely like like hungry or whatever, then I eat a biscuit. But I eat this biscuit called Digestive. Now I eat like a digestive biscuit, which is again got a lot of multigrains and all in it. It's pretty healthy. It has a lot of, I think it has a lot of husk in it also. I'm not sure, but it's very granulated. It's not like your typical biscuit. Like it's very granulated. So I have that, and then. So I'll be honest with you, after that dinner, I don't really eat anything. But if there's a day where I'm कि चलो आज dinner में कुछ करते हैं, तो I eat soup यार. कोई भी soup मंगा के, I just eat soup. I don't really eat any. I don't really eat any dinner. Rice, roti, वो सब तो कुछ chance ही नहीं है. Although so. I was told recently that if you even eat carbs at night, it's not a bad thing, मतलब so long as आपका जो कैलोरी बजट है ना दिन का सरप्लस या डेफिसिट जितना भी है उतने के अंदर अगर आप रहोगे तो आप डिनर भी खा सकते हो. बट मेरे को अभी आदत नहीं रह गई है डिनर खाने की, तो आई अवॉइड यार. नाउ आई साइकोलॉजिकली फील टू हैवी and I psychologically feel very guilty if I eat dinner, and then I have this psychological fear कि oh my god, now the weighing scale is gonna like skyrocket, even if it won't, but अब मेरा वैसा एक mental block बन गया है, तो I just avoid dinner. So ये मेरी diet चल रही है आजकल जो I'm doing. And जहाँ तक workout की बात है तो I do like different body parts on different days, So one day I do legs, one day I'll do only abs and running. One day I do upper body, and one day I do like only cardio, also like cycling or something. I don't lift any weights on that day. And then once again after that day I'll do like one more session of weights, and again I try and do like a leg workout. There's so many variations, right? Like you could do deadlifts, you could do squats, you could do lunges, you could do climbing up the stairs and down, going up the stairs and down, which is like calisthenic in a way, right? Because it's very high intensity if you do it fast, and it's effective also. And yeah, like what else, like in terms of weight training, what else am I doing? So I'm doing these essentials, of course, like squats, lunges, deadlifts. These I'm doing. And for the upper body, obviously, your shoulder exercises, bicep curls, all that I'm doing. And I'm trying to increase, like, I also use kettlebells. Yeah, I also do kettlebell thrusts and all that. Those are pretty effective. And those would come under, I think, functional training, right? Because it's not like static machine. So those I do, and I do the rope also, the rope I do. That's a very good compound exercise, I feel, because you're squatting, your core is engaged, your shoulders are like working. So it's a very good exercise, I think, which burns a lot of calories also, and it tones you also, and I like it. I like it as a compound exercise. So I do that. And apart from that, yeah, I mean, so I've always struggled with sleep, and it's been an issue with me. But now what I'm seeing is that I don't really so now I read in a lot of articles also कि सोने के 1 घंटे पहले आपको कोई भी screen नहीं देखना है, laptop screen, television screen, or your phone screen. And now that's what I'm doing, yaar. I just shut off all screens at least 1 hour before I wind down, before I go to sleep. Now अभी तो it's very recent, so I don't know कि कितना benefit आया है उसका, but I do feel that it's helping me. जितना भी in the last few days I've experienced, I do think it makes a difference, completely not looking into any screen, at all. Because I think it causes a lot of mental fatigue also, I don't know. And then it's addictive also, na yaar. It's called there's a term one of my friends uses. It's what is it called? I forgot. I'll ask him about it. He used a term. I think it's some kind of legit term, but I call it the dead scroll, because you just keep scrolling and you don't realize where time has gone. Your eyes are so fatigued, your brain is so tired. These things are very tiring, yeah. Just because they are passive doesn't mean they don't tire you. They really tire you, because the light from the screen and everything. And for sleeping, what I'm also doing is like, I'm sometimes I take a hot shower before sleeping at night. Sometimes I put on like the sound of rain and thunder. I find it very calming, yeah. मुझे बहुत calming उसका effect लगता है, so it works for me. And I encourage you also to try it out. Like you could try it out and see if it works for you. Like this whole rain and thunder sound. There are so many videos on YouTube where you'll find like rain and thunder sounds for sleeping. So try it out and let me know. Yeah, these are things that I'm doing right now. Also trying to monitor, you know, how my PCOS is going. And suddenly I'd put on so much weight on my face. Abhi to I think thoda sa it's going, but still I have a long way to go. Yeah, see, like this all was like so big, right? Until last 2 months. And my eyes were looking so small and all. Now, chalo, it's better, but yeah, I mean, abhi bhi, there is a way to go, you know, there is a long way to go, I think. But yeah, lifting weights also helps me, or I think it helps everyone in losing face fat. It like totally like, you know, makes you like shredded. It like shreds you, you know, your face is also like more defined and everything. सो या गाइस, ये सारे चेंजेस करके आप देखो. आई मीन यू नो, राइस अगर आप खाते हो तो क्विट करके देखो. एंड उसके जगह आप किनोआ खा सकते हो. एंड अगर आप व्हीट रोटी खा रहे हो तो सब्सटीट्यूट करके देखो उसको नाचनी या जवार बाजरा के साथ. एंड ऑफ कोर्स यू नो, फ्रूट्स आप खा सकते हैं. आप डेट्स खा सकते हैं, लाइक सीड्स खा सकते हैं. अच्छे अच्छे सीड्स आते हैं, सनफ्लावर सीड्स, पम्पकिन सीड्स, है सो मेनी. Those are readily available in the market. Those are really, really good also for your health. And try these things out, guys. Like, and let me know कि कैसा चल रहा है आपका, like new dietary changes क्या किए हैं और उसका क्या असर आ रहा है. Like, you know, आपके energy levels पे, not just weight loss या fat loss पे, but energy levels पे, moods पे, you know. Keep writing, like maintaining a diary about how you feel after eating a certain kind of food, and does it regulate your mood or not. And you know, just try and keep a diary of it. And I'll see you on the next episode. Thank you so much, guys. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा है, then please subscribe and do share it with anyone who you think it could help. Or if you found any value in it, then definitely do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.